In this video, we are going to check the CT ratio of this combined set 10 by dash 20 by 5, and this is the secondary connection. Okay, we'll go into practical things. This is our CT injection kit. I am injecting current to the primary of the CT PT unit from this CT ring. It is a light ring, but it's not a ring, it's a small CT only. So this is the connection you see there, and I'll be injecting current like this from the secondary of that CT 50 by 5 CT. I have connected like this, and then the load also 1000 watt and 2000 watt I'll control from the knob, and then I'll inject to the primary, and then I'll measure what is the current in the secondary. All right, I'll do that, and then this is the secondary I'll be measuring. So I think this is our phase. I think here I'll be measuring maybe this one first. What is the phase that I've connected? Is it R phase? I don't know, but B phase primary, secondary part ya S1 S2 4.5. Marka point kam da area point tang ni 7.39 primary of R phase. Ni pada 3.87 3.87 3.86 3.86 biang 7.51 7.51 dah biang dan ni apa 8.4 8.18 ah 8.19 8.2 tak fluctuate mulai 3.98 3.4 biang ni ya waktu baik phase ni part Y phase 9.1 primary 4.35 34 secondary 9.8 primary 9.8 almost 10 4.72 secondary. Tama-tama kalau current 8.29 8.31 8.4 biang dah secondary pada now ni kan kamret nama kredit dan you ang 1.99 1.99 2 how increase mata show 2 red te na te ka hita increase show 2. So we are increasing the primary current to 8.55 8.6 almost 8.7 8.68 the primary to secondary can increase 2.09 2.09 2.07 okay fine bien ya flip na bread. So this is the report. See, for our phase I'm getting in the ratio, the standard ratio is actually 2, but I'm getting 1.94, which is very close. Had I done with an CT injection kit, maybe I would have got more accurate values, because I did not have a proper injection kit and all, and I'm using multimeter only, and I mean that is I could not do well also. I mean that is not the real time, and there is a little fluctuation in load also. And the standard 2, this is 2.08, very close to 2. That means from this only you can tell that the ratio is very close to our standard value of 2. And then when I use this and I connected the secondary to S1 S3 also, which is the ratio for 20 by 5, because this, as I said, that the ratio is 10 dash 20 by 5. So the second ratio is actually 4, 20 divided by 5, the ratio is 4. the ratio is 4, and then when I did the reading also, I did with help of multimeter, I'm getting the ratio here as 4.14, and in second case I increased in the load to 2 kilowatt, and then I got 4.15, which is very close to R4. You can say that the CT ratio is still fine. So the CTPT unit is still in good working condition. So this is all about, how do you measure the CT ratio outside. PT ratio is, as I said, is simple. Only you have to only check the CT ratio, which I have done, like I showed you, and a very simple way of creating your own injection kit and all that, which you can do it outside without having a costlier injection kit with you. You can simply do this, which will give you the reading, the thumb rule, whether the your injection kit, your PTCT is okay or not. I mean, this is how you have checked the ratio. All right, so thank you with this much only.